What's up guys, welcome back to another Brody's Life episode. Today we are throwing a light bar on my buddy's Jeep here, and we're going to mount it straight up right on the crossbar here. We used to have the light bar, a cold light bar on the hood, but we decided to move that because it didn't look the best. So yeah, we're going to show you what we've done so far. We've made some of these little brackets out of just steel. Which are going to mount to the light bar, like so. And then we're going to send a self-topper or a bolt and have this mounted to the crossbar. And that's how we're going to attach it. And then I'll show you how to do all the wiring, all of that. Yeah, let's get right on into it. Welding 101. Let's see how good I can do this. Put the same spot on that side. Here, grab that big jock stock. There we go. Okay, now come to this side. Get one on top.
That was a tack rubber.
Yeah. Dude. me, people. We're going to go get a glass of water in the shop. Yeah. Whee! Woo! Gotta come over here, grab a glass. What the hell is wanting in here? Don't want to use that one because that no, it's a little bit yucky. You want to come out here? Open this big medieval Dunson door. So it came up. Beautiful. Tasty. Another trip. Woo! Woo! I'm gonna go get some drinks of water. When it's all up, you fill me up. Let's have a party. Yeah, the welding ain't the best, but you know, we're not professionals here. Yeah, a couple of the lights are bad, but dude, that's so bright. See, so warning. Down.